Les métiers. Today the theme is les métiers, the profile, the domain. Repeat after me. Les métiers.
Les
Les
métiers.
métiers.
Je m'appelle Camille.
Je m'appelle Camille.
Et quand j'étais enfant, Sonal, hello, where you were? Pick up Jyoti, Kamal. Et quand j'étais enfant, j'avais des rêves plein la tête. It means when I was infant, I had. See, you know what? What is TEF? Section A, writing section. In your TEF writing section, you have to speak, you have to. Okay. So team, repeat after me. Quand j'étais enfant, when I was kid, when I was small,
Les enfants.
j'étais enfant, say clarity. Repeat after me. Quand j'étais enfant, when I was kid. देखो, what is your TEF, TEF section A? TEF section A, writing part. I'm talking for a writing task. You have to write in past. For this reason, we are doing these type of senses. J'étais, in your B1, Jyoti, you have to write something for the past, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? So, quand j'étais enfant, when I was kid, j'avais des rêves plein la tête. I had the dream full of my head. मेरे dreams पूरे head से भरे हुए थे. Past. J'avais, I had the dream. This is my past activities. Is it clear to you? Now again past. Je voulais. Je voulais. It means I wanted. See, this is my past. Because if you really want to clear your TEF examination section A writing part, you have to create what imagination. You have to create your imagination on passé composé on l'aime parfait. Clear team? Je voulais être professeur. I wanted to become a professor. Et enseigner and teach les mathématiques and teach the mathematics. Puis, then, je voulais devenir. I wanted to become past. Je voulais devenir. I want to become doctor pour soigner les malades, to take care of the les malades, to take care of the sick. Is it clear to you? Pour moi, for me, les médecins, the doctor et les infirmières. So, Sonal, क्या करना है आपको? You have to listen the recording again and again and again. Is it clear to you, Sonal?
Yes, sir.
So that your pronunciation, you will get the pronunciation and which has to be strong. So the hero sans costume. They are the hero without costume. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, team?
Yes, sir.
Now, team, we are working for les métiers. Now, mon ami Thomas, it means my friend Thomas. Now, again, past Rave. Team Rave, we have AIT, Lamp Parfait. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Team Abhi, is it clear to you? AIT.
Yes, sir.
Because today, Sonal, is it clear to you, Sonal?
Yes, sir.
Kamal, Jyoti. See, we have
Yes, sir.
got past. Monami Thomas had the dream, was having the dream, Rave. Because you're talking, now for example, you're telling your childhood days. Say Claire, and let's say my friend had Thomas had the dream. My friend Thomas had the dream to be a cuisiner. Had the dream, was having the dream, Reve. Is it clear to you? Reve, basically we have Rev. Reve, because c'est le lem parfait. Mon ami Thomas Rev. Reve, that's so team, basically we have a vocab. We have a vocab which is Reve. Basically, we have to dream. Pen down, please. REVER. To dream. Is it clear to you, my team? Reve.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Je me rêve. It means my dream. Is it clear to you? Rêve. Mon ami Thomas. It means my friend Thomas. Rêve d'être cuisiner. My friend Thomas had a dream to be cuisiner, to be a cuisiner. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Past. Say this is because. Past we have because. Past. Repeat after me. Past.
Was
Past.
See, remember, we are working only for AIT pattern, lamp pathway pattern. So we have a verb aimer. Aimer is my verb to like.
Yes.
Aimer is the verb to like. So if I will say aimer like that, it means my lamp pathway. Say past il n'aime pas. Napa is my negation here. Napa is my negation.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So because il n'aime pas les plats de la cantine. He did not like les plats. Plats, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre food. He did not like the food. Plat, we have dish. Plat. Répétez après moi. Plat. See how you learn the language. The moment you will see, this is a concept wherein you will increase your vocab. You will increase your oral speaking, increase your reading portion also. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Pla, we have dish and the food. The la cantine. Because he did not like, aime is my verb to like. So what to say did not like? We have AIT pattern. Team, is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
ask, this is because he did not like the dish of the canteen. Again, past. Sonal, especially for you, because you want to clear your TEF, right?
Yes, sir.
In section A, we are working dramatically. We entered in a section A writing task, right? Jyoti, especially for you. In your B1 program, usually ask something about your past activities. It's normal. Tell me your childhood days. So we have to understand about how to create the things in past. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Il
Yes,
pense,
sir.
AIT pattern. Pense is my verb to think. Pense is my
Yes,
verb
sir.
to think. Now, il
Once is not to think.
thought. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Clear हो रहा है आपको team?
Yes, sir.
Let me read it out for you. Say Claire, my team. So répétez après moi, mon ami Thomas rêvait d'être cuisinier. C'est parce qu'il n'aime pas les plats de la cantine. Il pensait qu'un chef pouvait manger des pizzas et des frites tous les jours. Very, very important. Again, past. Pouvait. Have you done pouvoir verb team?
Yes, sir.
Pouvoir is the verb to can. Kamal. So what is the
Yes, sir.
pathway of pouvoir verb? So AIS, tell me team. AIS, hello, is it clear to you team?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
IONH, IEZ and AIENT.
And
We have pouvons. And we have to eliminate ONS because we have to make a base of new conjugation. And I can say
Yes.
where I could. Is it clear to you, my team? Tu pouvais, you
yes, sir.
there.
Pouvait.
Pouvions, pouviez, pouvait.
Pouvez,
This is we are working for past. Is it clear to my team?
Yes, sir.
Il pense, it means he was thinking. Que chef pouvait, that the chef we have, you know, the person who make the food, chef. Un chef pouvait, could eat, manger des pizzas, the pizza et des frites. Frites, we have fries. Frites, we have fries et des frites tous les jours. Il pensait qu'un chef pouvait manger des pizzas et des frites tous les jours. It means he was thinking that the chef could eat the pizza and the fries all the day. Tous les jours, all the day. Two we have all, and jour we have day. Is it clear to you, team? Team, is it clear
Yes, sir.
to you?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
important concept, Sonal and Jyoti. Very important concept. For this, you have to do a practice. See, entire session under recording, the best part. You have to listen to the recording again and again and again. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes.
So no matter if it's Saturday and Sunday, it is just you have to do open the recording. We have a lot of recording. You have tell me yes and no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We then plus grand. It means plus grand. Okay. Then the more thing plus grand. Plus is we have more. Puis is then plus we have more. Plus grand we have big. The more thing. Je découvrais again. I discovered. AIS. Tell me, team.
Yes, sir.
Discovered.
AIS.
verb découvrir verb discovered समझ आ रहा है अभी आपको
Yes, sir.
je découvrais les métiers I discovered the profession profile the policier the profession of the policeman a d'avocat and lawyer avocat we have advocate avocat say Claire. Je découvrais les métiers de policier et d'avocat dans un film. I discovered the profession of policeman and the lawyer in a film. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
have you done these verb? Tell me. These
Yes.
if you want to tell. What is the lamp part of these verb? हम कैसे बनाएंगे these verb का lamp part? We have a new conjugation. These no.
No.
Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To remove ONS and we have to apply AIS. So je disais, tu disais. Is it clear to you, my team? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Claire, so it's saying je me disais alors que je voulais aussi combattre pour la justice. Very important. I told je me disais, me is myself. I told myself, je me disais, because told, dire is to tell, AIS pattern is told, tell me team yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Je me disais, alors, then. Alors, we have then. So, is it clear to you? These are connected basically, alors. Alors is a very important connector which you will use in oral speaking and your writing. Alors, then. Is it clear to my team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Que we have that. I told myself then that que je voulais aussi. I wanted. Voulais AIS. समझ आ रहा है सोनल आपको कि कैसे आपको सेक्शन ए में पास क्रिएट करनी है क्लियर हो रहा है
Yes. Yes, sir.
je voulais I wanted aussi also combattre we have verb to fight combattre combattre we have verb to fight je me disais alors que je voulais aussi combattre pour la justice I told myself that I also wanted to fight for justice. Is it clear to you? Now, team, this is your section A, which you will get anything to think for a past, to make the imagination in past. The past imagination, I told myself that I wanted to fight for justice. Team, is it clear to you, team? Yeah, tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Because it's a very important concept in French to make something in past. Je voulais, I wanted. Poursuivre. Poursuivre is my verb to follow. Poursuivre. To continue. Je voulais, repeat after me. Je voulais poursuivre. Repeat after me.
Je voulais poursuivre.
It means I wanted to follow les criminels, the criminals, et défendre les gentils. I wanted to continue with the criminals and défendre. Défendre is my verb to defend. Défendre les gentils. Gentils we have gentils, nice people. Gentil. Gentil we have nice people.
Kind. Nice people.
Is it clear to you? I'm saying, je voulais, I wanted to continue criminals and defend the good guys. Et défendre les gentils. C'est clair.
Yes.
Sir.
Mais, but, le monde ne fonctionne pas toujours ainsi. But
Le
le monde, we have the world, sansar, le monde, ne fonctionne, is not functioning, ne fonctionne pas, is not functioning toujours, always like NC we have this way, like that, NC we have like that, this way. Is it clear to my team?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sonal, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Very important. See, tell me what is the reason behind this to keep the session recording? Tell me.
Keep
What is the-
practicing.
Yes. You have to open the recording, and Sonal, if you think that session, maybe if you feel, Sonal, if you feel,
Yes.
and Kamal, all of you, the session is going to be heavy and you can only digest 3 paragraph, 4 paragraph, you can stop in between. It is not, this is obligation is this, whatever I have explained to you, that has to be in your tabs. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
वो
sir.
क्या रहेगा आपको, इज नॉट, हम आगे कर सकते हैं, टेल मी टीम.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now adolescent we have what? Teenagers, adolescents.
Sir.
Yes.
Adolescent, teenagers. Je, as a teenager, adolescent, je voulais devenir pompier. I wanted to become a firefighter. Pompier, we have firefighter. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mes parents, my parents, m'encourageaient, c'est quoi? Encouraged. L'em parfait, AIENT. What is AIENT? The plural of l'em parfait, tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Team, we have verb encourager. Répétez après moi. We have a verb encourager. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Encourager. So we have encouragien. Encouragien, we have past, my parents encouraged. My parents encouraged me. Me is m'encouragien. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mes parents m'encouragien. Team, to be honest, once you will start yourself with the recordings, step by step, gradually, you have to pause the recording. Then you will say, if I'm saying in the recording, mes parents m'encouragien, you have to pause and you will speak 5 times. Mes parents m'encouragien. That how
Mes parents m'encouragent.
m'encouragien à devenir to become
Devenir
sapeur, pompier, volontaire. Is it clear to you? Now, sapeur,
sir.
pompier. It means to that's pompier, sapeur, pompier. We have pompier, firefighter. My parents encouraged to become a firefighter. Volontaire. We have volunteers. You know, volunteers, firefighter,
Yes, sir.
volunteers. Pour voir, to see. Pour, for, voir is a verb to see. Have you done voir verb is a verb to see? Tell me, team. Voir.
Yes, sir.
See, if, see, cette carrière était réellement pour moi. If this career, if this career was, était really for me, réellement, really for me, is it clear to you? Tell me, team.
Yes, sir.
J'étais donc lycée. Lycée, basically, we have a high school, 10th class. Lycée, what to say 10th class? 10th class in English, we have high school, right?
Yes.
What to say
Yes.
10th class in? I have completed my 10th class. So that we call it lycée. Lycée, c'est the 10th class. J'étais, when I was donc, so lycée, when I was in a 10th class, a pompier à la fois, when I was a high school student and a firefighter at the same time. J'étais fier. Fier, c'est-à-dire quoi? Fier, we are proud. And I was proud. J'étais fier. Past, see past, j'étais. Fier, we have proud. J'étais fier. And I was proud. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
All of you, यहाँ तक सबको समझ आ रहा है? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But ma plus grande passion, but my great passion, c'est l'art. My great passion is the art. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Or should we and today? Or should we? Or should we have today? Or should
Yes.
we and today? Je suis artiste. I am artist. Je peins des tableaux dans mon studio. I paint pictures in my studio. Is it je peins? Je peins des tableaux dans mon studio. I paint the picture. I paint picture in my studio. Is it clear to you? Peins. Je peins.
Yes, sir.
Répétez après moi, team. Je peins des
Je
tableaux.
peins
The picture in my studio. Say class.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
सर रिपीट करना ये लाइन पूरी प्लीज.
Okay. Moi, sorry, mais ma plus grande passion c'est l'art. Répétez après moi.
C'est là.
là.
It means my great passion is the art. Et aujourd'hui and today. Et aujourd'hui and today. C'est clarity. Je suis
sir.
artiste. Last में कहता कि now today I'm artist. He thought for a lot of things, firefighter, mathematics, doctor, but now he is artist. Is it clear to my team? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Je suis artiste. Je suis artiste et je peins. Peint we have paint. I paint. Des tableaux. Tableau we have, you know, जिस पे आप picture paint करते हो tableau. I paint the pictures dans mon studio, in my studio. Is it clear to my team? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Mon ami Thomas, my friend Thomas, lui est dentiste. He is a dentist. Is it
Dentist.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pourtant, team pourtant is a very important connector, which is however. Pourtant. So keep
However,
working for connectors also and highlight the connectors in a notepad, which will help you to increase your oral and your écriture. Pourtant, however, quand on était petit, when we were little, when on était petit, when we were little.
we were little.
Pati, we have little. Is it clear to your
Yes.
team?
Yes, sir.
Il détestait. He hated. Détestait. Team, अब देखो AIT conjugation है past. We have full verb of détester.
Détestant.
We have full verb détester. We have verb to hate. Nafrat. Détester. Say Claire, my team. Détester.
Yes,
We have
sir.
verb to hate. Is it clear to you, my team? Il détestait.
Yes, sir.
I think यहाँ पे clear नहीं आ रहा आपको. Let me write it down. Is it visible to your team?
नो
No, sir.
Quand on était petit, when we were small. Petit, when we were little. Il détestait, he hated. Ali is my verb to go. Chez is my at. Le dentiste, he hated to going at the dentist. Is it clear to my team? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Il pleurait, वो बहुत रोता था. Pleurait, pleurait,
To cry.
cried. Is it clear to my team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Say Claire. Is it clear to you? So we have verb pleurer. Let me write it down. We have verb pleurer. Pleurer, we have verb to cry, rona. See, now you will come to a lot of vocabulary. Pleurer.
Array.
Say Claire. So AIT conjugation. Say he cried. Say Claire, my dear.
Yes, sir.
pleurait à chaque fois. Répétez après moi. Il pleurait à chaque fois.
Elle pleurait à chaque fois.
He cried every time. Chaque fois. Every time. Say Claire, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Chaque, every, and fois is time. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Sonal,
sir.
is it clear to
Yes,
you?
sir.
Tell me yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, Sonal, how we can practice of this concept. Tell me, Sonal. I will share the
Yes,
record.
sir.
Tell me how we can do practice with this.
By seeing the recording again and again.
Yes. Now I already have shared one recording in the morning. You got the recording,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
and I will share this recording also. I'm going to share this recording also. See, you will get a lot of recording in this weekend. Now the ball is in your court. You will get a recording, right? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
your court, how you can do practice. I'm giving you very important content where you will speak your language very fluent. See, par exemple, vous voulez gagner le bon note. Vous voulez parler très, très, très bien. If you really want to speak very well, vous pouvez, si vous parlez réellement, réellement très bien. If you really want to speak very good, you have to
Yes, sir.
practice with this session, with the pratiquer. C'est clair, Jyoti, Sonal.
Yes, sir.
Team, Monday आपके क्या है? Listen to me very carefully. YouTube पे every sessions वहाँ पे every session, whatever session we are doing with the other teammates, it is uploading, right? At least what I would say, you will get 5 and 6 sessions basis. Obviously, that would be your base. It is not will go beyond of your base. You have to watch those sessions, and I will send you tasks. Like one test, I already have sent it to you. The next, I will record this and we'll convert this on recording and we'll send it to you. I will share 5-6 videos in this weekend. You have to watch this because Monday I want to play live theater with you. Now, for example, Jyoti, how we can play live theater? If I ask to say, Jyoti, speak something about les métiers, then you have to speak for this. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Your pronunciation has to, obviously you will write somewhere on the paper and you can speak out in front of the camera, but your pronunciation vocab has to be strong. These vocab has to be fixed in your mind. Sonal, is it
Yes,
clear to
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
So how we can improve the pronunciation? The moment you will listen the recordings again and again and practice the session. Is it clear to you? It's not like you pen down the session and recording is not with you, but now the best part, the recording is here. Is it clear to you, Kamal and Avi?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So be ready for the battle for Monday. Monday we'll have a live theater. Whatever task, I will share it today, Saturday and Sunday. That has to be practiced, and Monday we can have a live theaters. Is it clear to your team?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Clear? So are you ready
Yes,
for the
sir.
battle? Tell me.
Yes.
Sir.
C'est très bien, c'est excellent. OK, chalo. Au revoir, bon week-end, happy weekend. On va se rencontrer lundi à même heure. C'est clair? OK, my team will meet you Monday same time. Bye bye. Take care, team.
You too, sir.